My biggest fear during the investigation was having something untruthfully brought forward about myself. I felt that I needed to fight as much as I needed to for the proper outcome. My name is Christopher Oty. I'm a sergeant with the United States Army here in Germany. I was being charged with domestic violence and strangulation. How did I feel when I was charged with those offenses? I felt upset. I felt that I was not being allowed to tell my side of the story, and I would have had a lot of barriers gaining future employment. I would have been unable to continue my education and to continue supporting my family. What did I do when I was under investigation? First, I called the law offices of Will and sought his advice as to how to cooperate with anyone coming to me to ask questions and to help aid me in the process. They told me what to expect. They told me what pieces of information I need to gather, and told me how to prepare for the investigation. Who worked on my case? The lawyer that worked on my case was Will M. Helixon. My experience working with Will during the case, he is very professional. He was very assertive in getting involved with my unit, pushing the allegations on me, and he made sure that no one was just saying things without any sort of facts behind them. He brought some information to light that I had not been told about from my unit or any investigators about the process. What's the biggest thing Will did to help my case? He vigorously cross-examined the government's witnesses and made sure that everyone involved was held to a high standard, as they should be. He made sure that the facts were straight on the investigation. He made sure to point out that the investigators did not properly do their job and did not properly gather evidence as one should while performing an investigation. He's very thorough. He knew a lot about the process of military investigations and military boards, and he is always available. He would respond to my emails. He would get information to me that I would have never thought I needed. Again, just very professional. Would I recommend someone to hire at the law offices of Will M. Helixson? Yes. Civilian lawyers, they can do a lot more and potentially a lot better with the resources that they have available to them. They helped clarify information from my side of the story that was not brought to the investigators, and they just helped me walk through it step by step. What message would I like to share with any other service members that might be going through my same situation? That there is hope for you guys. You know, there is a lot more to your side of the story than the military might make it seem to believe.